When Prem first lifted a drone into the sky, it was not to map farmland or deliver aid. It was to capture cinematic shots for films. A creative mind with a storyteller's soul. Prem never imagined that one day the same drone would become a lifeline in flood zones, a tool in farmers' hand, and a catalyst for rural women's empowerment. But that's exactly what happened. Born from a deeply personal mission to combat dengue outbreak in his parents' neighborhood in Hyderabad, Marut Drones has since become one of the India's most transformative drone startup, bringing high-tech solution to some of the country's most deep-rooted problem in agriculture, public health, and disaster management. Prem says, "I was not looking to start a tech company. I just wanted to solve a problem in my backyard. But that one idea kept growing wings." Back in 2016, Hyderabad was battling a severe dengue crisis with over 20,000 reported cases. Civic workers struggled to spray larvicides in inaccessible water bodies, and Prem, frustrated by the inefficiency, decided to try something unconventional with his IIT Guwahati batchmates, Sai and Suraj. Drawing from his experience in aerial filming, he rigged a drone for spraying operations, and the results were stunning. Within a year, dengue cases in the target areas dropped drastically to under 1,500. That's when he knew drones weren't just cool gadgets, they could save lives. And just like that, a new purpose took flight. Marut Drones was officially founded in 2019. Today, Marut Drones is a DGCA certified drone manufacturer and a remote pilot training organization, a rare dual distinction that anchors both their credibility and capability. What makes Marut unique is its ambition to apply drones beyond just agriculture. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Marut Drones partnered with IFCO to roll out DAS on over 5 lakh acres, empowering rural drone entrepreneurs. Under a government initiative led by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, 150 drones were distributed to self-help group women in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, sparking a wave of women-led agribusiness. During floods in Vijayawada, AG-365 drones delivered over 200 relief packets per hour, reaching 25,000 plus people. With NMDC, Marut even created drones for mineral exploration targeting rare elements like lithium. There's some incredibly power about seeing a woman in a sari piloting a drone across a paddy field. That's the future Marut is building. Their flagship agricultural drone, the AG-365 series, is fully subsidy eligible under government schemes, making high-tech farming more accessible. Meanwhile, Marut's RPTO, Marut Drone Academy, status allows them to train thousands of drone pilots, especially youth and women in rural areas. This isn't just about machine in the air. It's about building an ecosystem, technology, training, trust. And as India continues to chart its course toward becoming a global drone hub, Marut Drone remains a shining example of how tech, when rooted in empathy and purpose, can truly soar.